What's up, guys? It's been a while, and quite a few things have changed. We've relocated, we're getting a new forge, and we've also changed our name. We're no longer Iron Forest, we are now Burning Oak Forge. This was our original gas forge. It used to be plaster filled, now we're using wool and fire bricks, but first we had to strip everything out of it. The original forge had a single burner. For this new forge we're designing, we want dual burners. For the inside of the forge, you will need Satanite, wool, and 2 fire bricks. Make sure you also have proper safety gear like a respirator and gloves to use whenever you're cutting the wool. For the fire bricks, we decided to use 2 different kinds, a soft fire brick and a hard fire brick, to see which one lasted the longest. We also added a nice latch to open and close the door. This is the first layer of wool and 2 fire bricks in place. When it was all said and done, we finished with about 2 inches of wool and 2 coats of Satanite. We decided to weld some legs on the bottom of the forge just so it stood a little more even and didn't roll around. This was our first design. We later changed it because too much heat was getting towards the propane tube itself, and that was just an accident waiting to happen if we're being honest here. But it did work for a short amount of time. We did test it out to see if the burners actually worked, and it did work pretty well. We just ended up making it safer, which you'll see later in the video. This was our new, safer design. 3-foot metal pipes threaded on each end to keep the tube as far away from the fire as possible. And there you have it, a completed forge. Thank you all for watching, and look out for more videos.